Setting up T-Mobile home internet involves finding the best location for the gateway, powering it on, and connecting your devices to the new Wi-Fi network. This tutorial outlines the steps. Steps to set up T-Mobile home internet. First, find the best location for your gateway. For the strongest signal, place it on an upper floor or on a high shelf or table. Keeping the device elevated can help improve your 5G connection. Next, connect the included power cable to the back of the gateway and plug the adapter into a standard wall outlet. The device will begin powering on automatically. Wait about 2 to 5 minutes while the gateway starts up and connects to the cellular network. Check the LCD screen on the front of the device. It will let you know when the gateway is ready. If needed, it may display an arrow to help you move the unit to a location with a stronger signal. Once the gateway is ready, open the T-Life app on your phone. While standing near the device, tap the Connect or Wi-Fi tab and select your router. When prompted, scan the QR code located on the bottom or back of the gateway to pair it with the app. After that, create a custom Wi-Fi network name and choose a secure password. Save your settings and the gateway will restart automatically to apply the changes. When the restart is complete, open the Wi-Fi settings on your phones, laptops, smart TVs, and other devices. Select your new network and enter the password you created to connect everything to your T-Mobile home internet service. Limitation: the gateway's signal strength depends on your location relative to T-Mobile's 5G towers. The LCD screen may direct you to reposition the gateway for a better connection. This setup is best suited for users who want a wireless home internet alternative without traditional cable or fiber installation.